what's up? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be sharing an effective way of whitening your teeth at home in just 3 days. Yes, just 3 days. To know more, keep watching. Who doesn't want a radiant set of white glowing teeth? We all do. And trust me, at some point of life, हम सब ने ये try किया है कि हमारे teeth white लगे with some home remedies or maybe doctor appointment. But होम रेमेडीज के साथ मेरा एक्सपीरियंस मैंने अपने लास्ट वीडियो में शेयर आपसे किया था विद कोलगेट विजिबल वाइट और इट वाज हिलेरियस. मतलब मेरे साथ तो बहुत ही गंदा हुआ था. बट गाइज, व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू दैट यू कैन एक्चुअली whiten your teeth at home in just 3 days? Let's talk about the Colgate Visible White O2, which whitens your teeth in just 3 days. Guys, this is a game-changing beauty essential that will change the way you look at your daily beauty regime. This is so exciting. This is for the first time a product like this has been launched in India. Do check out my description to know more. I definitely recommend adding it to your daily beauty regime, both in the morning and in the night. It's a must-have oral beauty product. It releases a warm sensation in your mouth. It's an unbelievable brushing experience. Important ingredient, the millions of O2 bubbles. These bubbles are then absorbed in the enamel, not just on the surface but also inside out, giving you a radiant white smile. The action of Colgate Visible White O2 is accelerated through this little thing right over here. This is the Colgate toothbrush and it is an electric toothbrush जो कि आपके गम्स पर बहुत ही ज्यादा जेंटल है, लेकिन प्लाक पर ये 5 टाइम्स ज्यादा टफ है. ये आपके प्लाक को जेंटली रिमूव करता है एंड डीप क्लीनिंग करता है आपके पूरे दांतों की. यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक द लिंक इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन टू नो मोर अबाउट इट. Let's put it to the test and prove how Colgate Visible White O2 works. This is my daily dose of coffee and assuming the HAP disc that we have here as our teeth, we soak it in this coffee solution for 2 minutes. हम में से काफी लोग कॉफी, चाय या फिर कोई और तरीके के बेवरेजेस एंजॉय करते हैं, बट हमेशा टेंशन रहती है कि हमारे टीथ स्टेन हो जाएंगे. बट विद दिस प्रोडक्ट इट्स नो लॉन्गर अ प्रॉब्लम. After years and years of research, they have finally come up with a solution to a super effective teeth whitening product that is completely enamel safe. Plus, it's vegan, gluten free and comes in a completely recyclable tube. That means it's good for you and for the planet. It's been 2 minutes and now I'll take out the disc from the solution, let it dry for 2 to 3 minutes. Can you guys see the stain? This is exactly what happens to our teeth as well. I will now take out Colgate Visible White O2. I will be putting the paste on the brush and adding water in the clear glass tumbler and stirring it. Let's soak the coffee dipped HAP in this Colgate Visible White O2 toothpaste solution for 2 minutes. Dentists across the world recommend that we should brush our teeth twice a day and for at least 2 minutes. We can see how in 2 minutes the disc changes its shape. It's now time to remove the disc. I leave it to you to see the difference. As you guys must have noticed, the HAP disc has come out clean and bright white. ऐसा ही हमारी टीथ के साथ भी होता है. एंड नाउ कोलगेट विजिबल वाइट O2 हैज बिकम माय ब्यूटी एसेंशियल. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ माय ब्यूटी regime on daily basis. I recommend you use it twice a day, once in the morning and once before you head to bed. The best thing about Colgate Visible White O2 is that it gives you clinic-like whitening at home in just 3 days. Guys, if you're picky about the flavors, Colgate Visible White O2 comes in 2 flavors, aromatic mint and peppermint sparkle. I prefer the aromatic mint. Even the prices are great and totally worth it. I love how radiant my smile looks. Guys, always remember there's a reason to smile and let that reason be you. So what are you waiting for? Get your Colgate Visible White O2 today and don't forget to check the link in my description to get your hands on this amazing product. And guys, that's it for today's video. मिलते हैं next video में. तब तक खुश रहिए, अपना ख्याल रखिए, keep glowing. Bye bye.